Bullish XEM value forecast is 5 cents to 12 cents. NEM cost could likewise reach 20 cents soon. XEM negative market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. In NEM cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about XEM to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. NEM current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of NEM is 3 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,784,267 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, XEM has diminished by almost 0.7% as of now. Besides, NEM has a circling supply of 8,999,999,999 XEM. At present, NEM exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, OKX, Upbit, OKX, and FMFW.io. What is NEM? XEM is the local digital money of NEM's NIS1 public blockchain. NEM is an environment of stages that utilization blockchain and cryptography to give answers for organizations and people. XEM is a decentralized open-source cryptographic money that has various extraordinary elements. NEM claims that the confirmation of significance framework guarantees that the organization can distinguish and remunerate those that really use it the most. NEM Bunch is a parent organization intended to help the development of the NEM environment, paving the way to the send-off of the image and then some. NEM Value Expectation 2022. NEM stands firm on the 110th footing on CoinGecko at this moment. XEM Cost Expectation 2022 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time period. The above graph of NEM spread out the rising triangle. The rising triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is shaped by an even upper trend line that interfaces the highs and the lower trend line that associates the rising lows. On the off chance that the pattern break out at the obstruction level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. As of now, NEM is in the scope of 3 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of XEM could arrive at the opposition levels of 3 cents and 4 cents. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of XEM might tumble to $0.0316 and 2 cents. NEM backing and obstruction levels. The outline beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of NEM. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of NEM could fall to nearly 2 cents, a negative sign. The diagrams show that NEM has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, XEM could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at 12 cents. NEM Value Forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of NEM is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of XEM lies underneath the end line, demonstrating more vulnerable members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of NEM is displayed in the outline above. Right now, XEM is in a negative state. Prominently, NEM cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of XEM whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list of the XEM is 49.56. This implies that NEM is in an almost oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of XEM might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. NEM Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of NEM. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of NEM. At present, ADX of XEM lies in the scope of 39.5380, so it demonstrates areas of strength for it. The above graph likewise addresses the general unpredictability file of NEM. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of XEM lies under 50, demonstrating low instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of NEM is at 49.56, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of XEM with BTC, ETH. The underneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and NEM. From the above outline, we can decipher the value changes of BTC, ETH, and XEM are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and XEM additionally increment or lessening separately. NEM Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, NEM could most likely accomplish 50 cents by 2023. NEM Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, NEM could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, XEM could revitalize to hit $2 by 2024. NEM value expectation 2025. If NEM supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, XEM would mobilize to hit $4. NEM value forecast 2026. In the event that NEM supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, XEM would revitalize to hit $6. NEM value expectation 2027. If NEM supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, XEM would mobilize to hit $8. NEM value expectation 2028. In spite of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, if NEM holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could drive huge cost rallies. Subsequently, by 2028, XEM would hit $10. NEM value forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on NEM, it would observe significant spikes. XEM could hit $12 by 2029. NEM value expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the NEM biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into XEM for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, NEM could hit $14 by 2030. And, with ceaseless enhancements in the NEM organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for XEM. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of NEM in 2022 is 12 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of NEM cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the NEM biological system, the presentation of XEM would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $1.87 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach 20 cents in the event that the financial backers accept that XEM is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is NEM? XEM is the local digital money of NEM, a blockchain-based metaverse. NEM was sent off in 2017. Clients can buy and exchange resources the NEM environment utilizing XEM. 2. Where could you at any point buy NEM? NEM has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Upbit, OKX, and FMFW.io. 3. Will NEM come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the NEM stage, XEM has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of NEM? On January 7, 2018, NEM arrived at its new all-time high of $1.87. 5. Is NEM a wise interest in 2022? NEM is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of NEM in the beyond couple of months, XEM is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Could NEM reach 20 cents? NEM is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the